Hello guys, welcome to KP Geek. This is Ketan and today I'm going to show you how you can remove or deactivate your Instagram account. So let's jump into the video. Okay, so I'm opening my Instagram account. I have created a separate Insta account to show you. You have to select this icon over here and tap on the first option, Account Center. It will show you up all the options over here. You have to tap on here is personal details. Tap on it. It will show you up your email address and birth date, but you have to select the third option, account ownership and control. Now select the only option, deactivation or deletion. Select Instagram account again. And it will ask you whether you want to deactivate your account or delete the account. If you deactivate your account, you can recover it again, but if you delete it, it won't recover. So I'm going to delete it completely. So I'm selecting that option and click on continue. Now you have to select the reason why you want to delete the account, but you can select the last option, something else, and tap on continue. Now you can download all the data of your Instagram account or you can transfer it, but I don't want to do it. So click on continue. You can do it if you want. Now it will ask you for the password over here. So enter your password over here and click on continue. Now it is the final confirmation to delete your account. So click on delete account. And it's gone. So now your Instagram account is successfully deleted. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and don't forget to tap on that subscribe and bell icon as well. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.